guys, Jonah here, and I've got a bit of a channel update for you. You may have noticed a few changes to a couple of things. First thing, this channel is now Jonah Shown, and that's because we're focusing on tool hunts and tool tourism, we call it. Let me know if you like the term tool tourism. Visiting different countries, finding quirky, interesting tools, also doing the pallets. The pallet unboxing videos have been a real hit. Everyone's loved them. I've enjoyed doing them. We want to keep doing them, but is it technically shadow foam related? So we thought we'd change it up. This channel is now Jonah Shown, and shadow foam has now moved to this channel. And shadow foam, the new shadow foam channel, is going to be all of the how to cut videos, advice, guidance, and guides on how to get the best results from shadow foam, including all of my top tips. And if you want to see that video, that is the latest video on that channel, and it was a great one to make because it's everything that isn't the basics. So we've got a basic how to cut video, but all my top tips, everything I do to get really good results with shadow foam is boiled into one little simple video. It's up there on the new shadow foam channel. Make sure you subscribe to that channel and drop a comment on that video, because if you do, we've got 5 starter kits, 5 shadow foam starter kits in any of the 10 colors with a cutting kit and with a Zoll stock to give away. You know we love a giveaway on this channel. You know we love doing 5 bundles. So in this one, it's don't comment on this video. Head over to the new shadow foam channel. Make sure you subscribe and watch that video, the tips video. I'm sure you're gonna love it, and then drop a comment and you'll be entered, and we'll do a normal prize draw as we always do. So that's the first bit of an update. The new shadow foam channel is there. Another update is What Toolbox, our brand new second channel, all about toolbox reviews and basically what's the best toolbox on the market, comparing them all, looking at the features. I love making toolbox review videos, but they don't really fit on this Jonah Shown channel anymore because this is all about the tool hunts and the quirky tools. But I wanted to keep making them, and we know that there's a good amount of our audience that still love those videos. So if you want to keep seeing reviews and toolbox reviews, we've got a brand new video all about the Kubrick system, and there's loads of systems that are made by Kubrick in Poland, but with different badges on. They're all compatible. It's actually an amazing toolbox, and you can go and watch that video right now over on What Toolbox, which is going to be the #1 toolbox buying guide. It's something I'm excited to create, put together. I have got an epic toolbox collection, which I'll show you in a second. So this is the extent of the toolbox collection. It's pretty much one of every toolbox on the market, and not just the UK models, also American models that you can't get over here, and there's stacks of them that I've not reviewed, hence the reason for a What Toolbox channel. If I had to pick an expert category on Mastermind, it would be toolboxes. I love doing the toolbox reviews. I love matching them all up. I don't think there's many other people out there with such a comprehensive collection that can compare and contrast and look at all the features. So that's why we want to do more toolbox review videos, but they wouldn't really fit on this channel anymore, and that's why they're over on What Toolbox. So make sure you subscribe, because we've got a lot of toolboxes to get into, and there's some amazing ones, some really rare ones, expensive ones that, you know, if we make the video and you guys love it, we might even see them in the UK. And the final update is that we're changing our video schedule. You may be used to us releasing videos every Friday on this channel. We're now going to be going every other week, because the second week is going to be on What Toolbox or on the new shadow foam channel. So we're going to have lots more content, but it's going to be split across all 3 channels. So you've got to make sure you subscribe to all 3. We're also going to be bringing back the live streams. If you're one of the lucky ones who watched our 6 live streams we did on 6 Mondays before Christmas, that was a bit of a trial run. It was a bit of a tester, and it was basically me for 2 hours on a Monday evening, cutting some foam, answering questions, talking to the viewers, and I loved it. It was really, really good. I'm not super technical, but I managed to get it set up and running with Matt, the cameraman's help. Me and Matt team all of the videos, and we got it running, but there was a couple of glitches, so I've taken a few weeks to get it set up, get it a little bit improved, and we also want to multi-stream as well, which means we'll be on a couple of different platforms, maybe platforms you watch, Twitch, maybe Kick, maybe Facebook, stuff like that. We're looking at about February, so stay tuned. There'll be an announcement on the channel. We'll put a post out letting you know, and we'll also have the live videos coming too. So there'll be lots more content to come. Let me know if you'd like to see any specific toolboxes on the What Toolbox channel. Let me know in the comments below, because we've done a lot of toolbox reviews on this channel, but we're going to be basically reviewing every toolbox on the market. And if you've got one you'd like to see me talk about, drop a comment down below this video. Let me know if there's any countries you want me to visit on the now Jonah Shown tool tourism focused channel, or if you would like to see me do some more returns pallets. Get all your suggestions down below this video. I read all the comments and I reply to as many as I can, and I love talking to you guys. So that's all the updates. I hope you're as excited as I am on the new videos, the new style, and all the new content to come. Definitely get your suggestions down below, and if you're not subscribed to this channel, you've got to make sure you subscribe to this channel too. A lot of our viewers aren't subscribed, so help us out. Subscribe to this channel, subscribe to What Toolbox, and to the new shadow foam channel. And for all of those asking, subscription on YouTube costs nothing. I've had a few conversations with viewers thinking the subscribe, it does sound like you've got to pay, doesn't it, for a subscription? The subscribe button on YouTube, all it means is that you will have us as a saved favorite channel, and that you'll get a notification if you click the bell icon that we've got a new video out. So subscription on YouTube is totally free. Don't worry about clicking that button and being charged anything, because you won't. And you've got to be subscribed to make sure you're entered in the giveaways. So that's all my announcements. Hope all that makes sense. Thank you very much for watching. A big thank you to all of you that have been with us this far. It's amazing to think we're on 145,000 subscribers. I can't believe it myself. It was mental when we got to 100,000. It's really exciting and it opens the doors to some bigger videos, some bigger content, and being the authority on toolboxes, which is all thanks to you guys. So thank you very much, and we'll see you next Friday for our next big video.